Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to duplicate a design. So as example, I will create example design. You can click sketch and I will choose the top plan. Use the line tools to create a simple design. And I will create circle. Now use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Click OK to apply. So if you want to duplicate this design, you can see in here the part 1. You can right click in the part and then use the copy here. Now you can move the copy object. After it, click OK to duplicate a design. So that's it for basic Onshape tutorial how to duplicate a design.